5 ways to reduce your pain in rheumatoid arthritis. Hi, my name is Pramila Gupta and I've been living with an autoimmune condition called rheumatoid arthritis for the past 11 years. Do visit pramilagupta.net if you want to know more about my courses and how I can help you with an autoimmune condition like RA. So let me get on the topic and tell you 5 ways in which I reduced my pain, pain in my body with this condition. Number one, medication. Well, this is a no-brainer, and everyone should consider this. Without, even though if you are looking at reducing your medication in future, to begin with, medication is extremely important. I cannot emphasize it enough. You have to visit your rheumatologist or any other doctor that you have been considering, and get your blood work done and figure out the medication that is required, because that is going to control your disease activity, stop getting deformity in your joints, and it will also help in reducing the pain. Number two, diet. So after you have got your medication in place, now the second thing to consider is diet. Stop eating things that are inflammatory. Things like a processed food, sugar, dairy, milk, which are highly inflammatory. You have to stop eating those kind of food and increase more of anti-inflammatory food like green leafy vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, uh, whole grains. These are things that are anti-inflammatory in nature. So increase those anti-inflammatory food and reduce the inflammatory food. This is when you're going to see, after doing it for a while, you will see that the pain level starts decreasing in your body. Number three, exercise. Well, exercise might seem difficult for people who are going through chronic pain, but let me tell you from my personal experience, when I've had a chronic pain in my shoulder joint or my wrist joint, and I've still not missed my yoga class, because when I come back from my yoga, I see that the pain level has decreased. This is because this movement in the joint is extremely important, and this also helps increase the circulation in the body because of the elevated heart rate, and because of the circulation in the blood, it helps reduce the toxins in the body. So adding exercise in your daily routine is extremely important if you want to reduce pain in your body, in your joints. Number four is supplements. So after when we get an autoimmune condition, there are a lot of nutrients which are less or depleted, because of which also we see a increase in the pain level in the body. So do add supplements like magnesium, B12, D3, curcumin, omega 3s. These are the kind of supplements that when we add them in our daily routine and in every day, we see that the pain level in our body starts decreasing. Number five, stress reduction. So, stress might not be directly related to pain, but it creates a very big impact in reducing the pain in your body. When your stress levels are high, the gut gets inflamed, and because of the inflammation in the gut, all the joints also start getting inflamed. So, because of this inflammation in the joint, the pain increases. So, indirectly, the stress level in your body increases the pain in your body. So consider reducing stress in your everyday life by doing meditation, going for walks, journaling, things that make you happy, and reducing that stress. You will see that your pain also starts decreasing. So I hope this video has helped you, and has given you tools that you can use and reduce the pain in your body if you have an autoimmune condition like RA or any other autoimmune condition. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to my channel to get more information about autoimmune conditions. And if you have friends and family who are suffering from similar autoimmune conditions, do share my video to more people so that they can also get benefited out of this.